Today we're going to be talking about the general circulation of the atmosphere. Wind typically flows horizontally due to differences in air pressure. Air flows from high pressure to low pressure. When air has more pressure on one side than the other, this creates an imbalance that creates a force that moves air from the high pressure to the low pressure. This is the wind blowing. The greater the pressure, the higher the wind speed. The direction of the wind deviates because of Earth's rotation. This is known as the Coriolis effect. In the northern hemisphere, wind is deflected to the right and to the left in the southern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it will be clockwise. In the northern hemisphere, it will be counterclockwise in low pressure zones. In high pressure zones in the north, the wind will go clockwise, and in the southern, in a high pressure zone, it will go counterclockwise. Low pressure zones produce bad weather. High pressure zones produce good weather. In low pressure zones, the wind comes together and is forced upward. As we know, when air is forced upward, it creates clouds, which can create precipitation and other weather. In high pressure zones, the air is going down, so we don't have to worry about clouds forming. With the air coming together and the Coriolis effect causing air to rise explains the general circulation. Places that are in the high pressure zones will have low rains, and places that are in the low pressure zones will have high rains. We know previously areas that have no rain aren't very tropical as compared to areas with high rains. They're going to be a lot more tropical.